Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could fall 175 points at the opening bell. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is scheduled to meet today, November 3, 2022. The Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, has scheduled an additional meeting for November 3, 2022. According to reports, a meeting with its rate-setting panel could be held to discuss the RBI's response to the government, explaining the reasons for its failure to contain inflation to 6%. The RBI's rate-setting panel last met on September 28 to 30, 2022, and was scheduled to meet for the final time this calendar year on December 5 to 7. The MPC raised the policy repo rate by 50 basis points, BPS, to 5.9% on September 30, 2022. Overseas, Asian stocks are trading lower on Thursday after U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled more rate hikes ahead after raising rates by 75 basis points as expected and calling discussions on pausing the tightening cycle premature. Thursday is a holiday in Japan, so the market is closed. The Caixin Services Purchasing Managers Index in China fell to 48.4 in October, the lowest reading since May and the sector's second consecutive contraction. The print in September was 49.3, also below the 50-point mark, indicating a contraction. U.S. stocks ended lower in a volatile trading session on Wednesday after the Federal Reserve delivered another 75 basis point rate hike and hinted at further hikes. The Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rate by 0.75 of a point on Wednesday. The Fed raised its key short-term interest rate to a range of 3.75% to 4%. Back in the United States, the equity benchmarks finished lower on Wednesday, snapping a 4-day winning streak. The S&P, BSE Sensex fell 215.26 points, or 0.35%, to 60,906.09. The NIFTY 50 Index fell 62.55 points, or 0.34%, to 18,082.85. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, purchased shares worth 1,436.30 crore on November 2, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers worth 1,378.12 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.